Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to change tokens in Monopoly Go. Are you looking for a quick guide how to change your tokens in Monopoly Go? Stay tuned because this video is for you. Alright, so we are now in the Monopoly Go board, and to do this, what you need to do is click on the hamburger icon or the three lines on the top right corner of the screen, like so. And this will pop up. So what you need to do is tap on My Showroom. And as you can see here in My Showroom, it says tokens. So you have, money, and you have the stop hat as my one and only token. It says equip. So to change your token, you need to have more than one or multiple tokens. So you can collect new tokens to fill this token plate and unlock the rewards. So I'm still fairly new to the game, so I don't have any other token besides my very first one. So yeah, you just need to play the game a lot to get more tokens. And once you get tokens, you just click on them, and then you can just change tokens that way. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.